These guys are higher level than me, by the way. Oh, this guy. He's 63! What? Damn. Am I that bad? Wow, okay. Well, that was a nice video. I have to fix this stupid sensitivity thing. I move like a sloth, like a grandpa trying to reach. Okay, let me say something I won't get in the pen. I'm like a grandpa when he's trying to spin around for the dance, you know. I'm a sloth waiting for a chance to do some I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching the video and like and subscribe for more videos. Peace out.